So here we have one of our 200mm fans. This is the one off the front case. So if you hit your LED on button, your LED lights come on, off, they're back off, again, on, off. So what we want to do is make that fan do the same as that fan. I have two 200mm red LED Cool Master fans. One of them is out of my Haf 922, which is that guy, kind of apart in pieces. Which with the Haf 922 you have a button on the top that you can control your LED on off, and then that plug would be for your fan power and your LED power. Over here I have just your basic LED, which you can't control your on off on, which just has your one basic power in. So if you look closer at where it comes in at, over here you have, ignore those two, those are to the LED that's on the top here. There's 3 of your in for your power in, and then the 2 wires that are here that you can see the solder joints are for your on-off switch. If you look over here, you have your 3 power in, ignore those, they're your LED for the top side, and you don't have any wires connected, you just have 2 bridges over the white and the black for the rest of the circuit board, which has your LEDs in it. So to create a on-off switch for this, we're going to take out that bridge and put in some wires there. So you can see here a little chunk of metal up here. That is our bridge we just unsoldered. We're going to need one of those pliers to pull it, solder around and undo it. That's where the bridge was. A little glob of red is the let's not short this out deal that they put on there. It's under all the bridges, and you can see it on the other fan. So to show that it works, got the wires here connected. Right there is where they are. And on the other side here, we just got them simply twisted together. There's our wires. Undo them. Pull them apart. Really easy to touch together. We're going to keep that there, plug it in. Fan's running. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but touch them together. Red comes on, take them apart, shuts off. Again, together, apart. Woohoo! So now what we're gonna do is tie into one of our plugs. First, we have to pick where this fan's going. I chose on mine to throw it on top. It's just personally where I want it, on that 200mm spot. So it's going to mount blowing out. Like so. Like that. So we're running the wire from there, our fan up there, down this way, and then up and over. Probably cut and splice into that guy. Pretty simple. Cut it here, wire it in on the end. Okay, so we have the wires soldered in. The 2 white are from our modified fan. 2 black are from our non-modified plan, which has the plug in it that goes up to our switch. I confirmed that there's just continuity from that to our other fan, and from that to make sure that the polarity is the right way, that it's not flip-flop make a short so the LEDs would be on all the time. Gonna heat shrink it up. Plug it in, test it out. Here's the two fans running. That's the actual button one. It's up here to its plug. It's the modified one. Here's that wire that comes out. Comes up here into our nice little splice. Here's the button. Turn it on. Turn on. Turn off. They go off. There we go. Fully functional on-off switch on a fan, red, case, all together, LEDs on, off, low lighting in the room, LEDs on.